Now we have a second question. Look at the question. There is a compound, organic compound A, which upon reduction is getting converted into B. Then B on treatment with CHCl3. What is CHCl3? Chloroform. Along with alcoholic KOH is getting converted into a product C. Thus obtained C upon reduction is giving us D, and the name of D is N-methyl aniline. You can see this N-methyl aniline or N-methyl benzenamine. Now what is the question? Then A is. So we are supposed to recognize what is our starting material, that is A. Let us look at all the options given to us. First option is aniline. Is it aniline? Second option, what's the name of this? This is nitrobenzene. Can this be nitrobenzene? Option C, methanamine or aminomethane. Can this be methylamine or methanamine? And then the option D is N is linked to the benzene ring. So is it benzene isocyanide? What's the name of this compound? Benzene isocyanide. This N will be linked with Cl. So therefore, this benzene ring is linked with N. It is attached from N and then in turn is linked with C. So therefore it is isocyanide. Now let us look at the option and then understand the question once again. A upon reduction is giving B. B is subjected to treatment with chloroform and alcoholic KOH. That's the clue for us. See, when can we treat any compound with chloroform and alcoholic KOH? It's the most popular reaction, that is carbylamine reaction. We are now talking about carbylamine reaction. This is a test which is used to find out the presence of primary amine. So definitely B should be a primary amine. That's a clear indication for us because we are making use of the reagents that we take for carbylamine reaction, that is chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Now furthermore, C is obtained, C is subjected to reduction. So this primary amine is giving a product. What is a product that we will obtain from a primary amine? They will form foul smelling component, namely isocyanide. If isocyanide is obtained by carbylamine reaction, what's the indication? It indicates the presence of a primary amine. So this is a cyanide, isocyanide that we have got. Option C is isocyanide. And this isocyanide is subjected to the process of reduction. Then that NC has added up hydrogen. Along with N there is hydrogen, along with C there is hydrogen. So let us go back again. So this should be a primary amine. So if you were to get a primary amine upon reduction of A, so we have to now choose the option from this. Can this be this? Definitely not. Why? Because A has to be subjected to reduction to obtain B. As it is, we are having a primary amine without subjecting it to reduction. So this is also not possible. Same is true for this case. This is also already a primary amine. So no further reduction is possible. Now the option is between B and D. Can this be NO2 attached to benzene ring, that is nitrobenzene, or this can be benzene isocyanide? The option is between the two. So of the two, upon reduction then subjecting it to the chloroform, the most ideal would be, I think, B. Let us write the reaction and see further. Now say supposing if we have taken our option as B, so then our starting material will be NO2. I'm just writing this equation to confirm whether A is nitrobenzene or if it is benzene isocyanide, because we have rooted out the option A and C 50-50 now. So those two are removed. Let us subject this to the process of reduction. So tin with HCl. So what's the product we are going to get? Nascent hydrogen. So this hydrogen will take a linkage here and then 2 oxygen will go out as molecules of water. 2 molecules of water. So now here N, instead of these 2 oxygen, there will be H2. And what happens to this 2O? It will go out as 2 molecules of water, for which 4 hydrogen is supplied from this reducing agent tin with HCl. Stefan's reduction we are carrying out. So 2 hydrogen will take the place of 2 oxygen, and then the remaining 4 hydrogen will combine with 2 oxygen, forming 2 molecules of water. So from here to here we have done the reaction. Let us subject this to the next process. That is, we have obtained a primary amine. So we are obtaining primary amine after the process of reduction. So that's obtained aniline or benzenamine is treated with chloroform and then alcoholic KOH. Let us balance the reaction. So what's the product we are going to get? They will, this 2 hydrogen, this 1 hydrogen and all the 3 hydrogen with 3 oxygen. So totally we have now 6 hydrogen. 3 hydrogen, 4th hydrogen, 5th and 6th hydrogen will combine with 3 oxygen. Goes out as 3 molecules of water. Then 3K will combine with 3Cl, forming 3KCl. Then what's that we are left with? N will be getting attached with Cl. So upon heating, what's the product we are going to get? So N is linked with Cn plus 3KCl plus 3 molecules of water. Now we are talking about carbylamine reaction. So if primary amine is present, it will form the corresponding isocyanide. This is a test that has been answered. So we have answered from B to C. So what is the product C? Benzene isocyanide. This is subjected to the process of reduction. So how many hydrogen do you see there? 3 and then 4. So it is simple process of addition, because N and C will be linked by multiple bonds. So now I will write in terms of formula. C6H5NC combines with, in presence of a reducing agent, let me say sodium in alcohol, or you can even carry out Mendes reduction. So 4 nascent hydrogen, 1 hydrogen will take a linkage with N, 3 more hydrogen will take a linkage with C. So what is that we are going to get? C6H5N linked with H and then CH3. So this is same like this. C6H5 is our benzene ring. So therefore the name of the product will be N-methyl. For the N-methyl group is linked. Otherwise this entire component will be benzenamide or aniline. N-methyl aniline. Aniline is trivial nomenclature. N-methyl benzenamine would be its IUPAC nomenclature. So definitely it is not this compound. This compound we obtain as a product. See, this is our A giving us B. B is reacting to give us C. This is our C. And then C is reacting to give D. So definitely A is nitrobenzene. This is our C. This is our D. So what is the correct answer? It is this. So for this question, the correct answer is B. That is nitrobenzene. benzene is our starting material A.